Oh shit. Hi guys, it's me, George Harris 10 there. Sorry about that earlier, I was gonna drop the camera, but, So hi guys, it's me, George Harris 10, back with another video on GT Sports again. And today we're gonna do more of like the racing thing with like take each car and stuff. So if we look here, we've done everything except for one race on this, so I might do that later, like after the video. We've done all these and we've done this. I don't know about you guys, but it's quite cold today in England. So it's really cold in England, so yeah. So sit back, relax and wrap up and get warm and stuff. We got a Veyron 2010. The Veyron 2010. I don't know, I reckon I have that in the car in a game. But anyway guys, we are going to do some more of the race thing. We got that. We haven't got as many cars in this game as in GT6, so in the near future I think I will go back to GT6 and visit some of the cars that I really like. So what we're gonna do this race again. Yep, I'm gonna do that one. And today we are gonna take, should we take the Ford thing. Today we're gonna take the Subaru, I think it's called the Subaru Impreza race car. We're gonna do 9 laps around here. Gonna set it on hard because we always do that. Wait, hang on, I went out by mistake. 9 laps. Set it on hard and let's go. And also guys, if you set it on hard, you get more of a chance to win a car. And you get quite a lot more money and mileage points and stuff. Yeah, what I found I got in GT Sport is rather than spending your money on cars, you can actually spend your mileage points. So you've got like a V6 and so, yeah, so it's going to be fast. Because these Subarus do. I think this is a Subaru Impreza, but this is a race version of it. So yeah, anyway guys, you get more chance of a car this way. So that means you might even though they've added like a few more cars to the game now. That some cars that cost like, I think there's 2 cars they added to the game that cost about 20 million each. So hopefully I think this car's set in drift mode or something. So yeah, look, it's set in drift mode. That's drifter mode. That's racing mode. We want racing mode. Let's give it more power. let's say 558. So 9 laps again. Yeah, this going better, better. We had the car in drift mode before, so which is why we span out on the corner. Look at this steering wheel, it's like very Batman-y. This car has got an upside down aerial wing, so as you can see there guys. I'm gonna go back in the cockpit view. Oh shit, oh damn it. Damn that Mitsubishi didn't move out of the way. And then we smashed into the back of it and it took us off. We haven't even done our first lap, so we got plenty of time to catch these guys up. Mercedes AMG, if I overtook that. Another car, I don't know what that car is. These race cars are very difficult to look out the back, so you do a back view, you can't really look out of it. That's a Renault up the front. We are in 11th place right now, and 2 laps. See if we can make up more places. Eighth place. I wish they bring more more sort of race old racing cars to GT Sports, because I really like the old racing cars. Like the Alpha, we had the racing Alpha and. Anyway, before this game came out, there was a rumour about it that there was I don't know, a rumour or something about it that it's going to have like, it's going to increase the cars and have like 500 cars, which I hope is not true, because I don't want 500 cars in this game. I want like so many cars in this game, because like I'm a racer, so I keep winning these cars. I had to cut it there, because otherwise we got an Aston Martin. I think that's the advantage. 312 a half ahead. race version of it. Oof. No, man. I muck up that corner so badly. I don't know which two cars are in front, but they're getting away fast. That's that Ford Mustang. Get out of the way, Ford Mustang. Oh. And that Ford Mustang pushed me out wide. Look at the two cars in first and second, they're getting way far wide. I might need to actually start cutting the corners to pass some of these cars. I think I am going to do that. I think I'm going to do that now. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna watch that replay again because I think that AMG Mercedes like sort of pushed me out wide. And Aston Martin got me back. I gotta start cutting the corners now, guys. I've no idea what three cars I've had it all. Fastest lap around here apparently. And I want the Bimmer. And now it's behind us at the BMW. Yeah, it's the BMW. And they're both BMWs actually, yeah. They're both BMWs. Won't get out of our way, he's making it really hard. Oh damn it, how did BMW get away with that? We bashed him. Oh no. Got through again. Oh fuck. Sorry about that guys, I would hit my eyes. These two BMWs are always in front. For some reason. I think he's got a little bit more power than me. On the back straight. He went straight across me and blocked me off. That's not very nice. Oh well. He'd gone away, he ran away. Being a real bully that BMW. Not giving up this first place without a fight, mate. Oh shit, no! Oh, I couldn't break that because half my fan was still on the accelerator. We're breaking! He's right on the edge. He's right on my backside. He's all over me, guys. I think I've got him, guys. He's all over me, but I've got him. I did it, guys. That was, oh my god, that was so challenging. Hard and challenging all at the same time. I didn't even notice how much money we got, guys. 12 million. Oh, we want a car now, guys. See, this is, you know, see, you get a better chance if you do on hard mode. Oh, we want another Jaguar. Oh, that's a... I haven't seen that Jaguar before. Maybe it's a new one or something. We're gonna do one more race, guys. This time we're only gonna do 3 laps. I'm trying to think what car I should take now, guys. I'm gonna take the Lamborghini. We're gonna take a Lamborghini. Hard, because, yep. 5 laps actually. I'm gonna do 5 laps of the track. 5 laps of the track. Let's see if we can hold our position for another one. This must be the Aventador, because the Murcielago or something. That's a V10, so that must be a Murcielago. Sound like a V10, doesn't sound nothing like a V12. So this is I think this is the Huracan one. The Lamborghini Huracan. We got a big way on the back. No. I think it is the Huracan. Okay, let's see. I didn't figure around the settings with this one, so we might have a bit of work to do. Whoa, shit! That Dodge just came off the track and rammed that clown off the track, and I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing because this Porsche's in front of me. Why is that a big American car here? That's got way more power than these cars. It's 700 horsepower. Oh shit. Okay, I think there's a problem. I think the Lamborghini's in drift mode. What the hell? I think the Lamborghini's in drift mode because it's drifting all over the track. No, it's in race mode, but it's only got 500 and let's put it up to 577. Let's see if we can do something with this car now. Dodge Viper's in front of me again. His brakes don't work that well, that's the problem. Doesn't brake very well. Oh, I'm braking it, it's going straight off, straight off. Yeah, it's not braking very well. Ah, shit, ah. Yeah, it doesn't brake very well. Got passed by a Nissan GTR and the American thing. The American car leading. What the hell? The Lamborghini is still going off. Fine. It's a pretty hard Lamborghini to drive. You have to push the brakes. Otherwise it won't brake. Jesus, that was a long time to come to the brake. You guys can probably see that. While I was in the track. No, oh my God, Lamborghini. That American. How is that American car so dominant? Oh, it should be crap at the corners. My car, my Lamborghini is so bad at braking. Don't know what it is, but it just can't brake. Oh, it's not braking again! This is a real challenge for me because I have quite a fast car, but the thing is the Lamborghini won't brake. Three laps completed. Oh, we're the fastest far around it in 2 minutes, 9 seconds. Oh no, look at that, it won't have any of the brakes, it just goes straight off. I'm pretty sure you fitted it with better brakes, a Lamborghini would fly, would go much faster around it than 2 minutes. Oh my God. Looks like we're going to have to go straight through the middle with this one because it will not. It will not brake properly, this car. The brake so early with this one. I don't know what I did with this Lamborghini, but shit, braking. No! Oh my God. I don't know, maybe it's me, but I don't think it doesn't have good braking. I'm braking all much I can. Brake. Brake. Oh. That was quite a long time to come to the holes. Well, that's a bit faster, 1 minute 56. Ah! I'm sure if you fill it with much better brakes, I could go much faster around here. And I feel much comfortable driving this. I feel quite comfortable driving this, but when it comes to the corners, it's like, when it comes to the corners, it's not, not a nice, it's not an easy car to drive at all, because look what it does, it goes straight across. I think that American car still keeping up with me. Oh no, maybe they just changed the car. Maybe the Michelin's overtaken it or something. Oh no, it's the Porsche now. Oh, it's the Porsche, the German car. And the Porsche's got the methane and the German car. Porsches are quite good setup handling cars anyway, that's why. Because they're really good, they're set up really good. Oh. Ah! Again! This Lamborghini does not want to brake. Wants to stay in a straight line. Brake. Oh my god, you saw that right? On a brake, it would go straight off. No! Oh, Lamborghini. No! Again, it's gone off. The Porsche just about cost us all then. Come on, Lamborghini, brake for me. Oh no, 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 no! Oh my god. Had a chance there. Brake, no! Jesus Christ, man. The brakes on this Lamborghini do not work. How did they not work? How did they not work? That's bizarre. 21,000. Yeah, we got 12 million, guys, which is what we can buy like quite a lot of cars. We could buy a good amount of cars now, but I'm gonna keep racing until I win a really because I want to win cars. I don't want to buy cars, I want to win them. Because it's much more glorious. Have we raced a McLaren? I don't think we have. I'm going to race a rally car for the last stage. I don't think this will go quite well as I hope, guys. But we'll see anyway, because I am racing a rally car. I'm going to do 4 laps this time. 4 laps for the last race. And I'm racing a Subaru rally car. So we'll see how well this goes. What does the L and R stand for? Left and right? Are those the signal operators? Left or right? Straight away, guys, this is no racing car. This is a rally car. So it'd be pretty shame to take a rally car into but that means if we go off-road on this track, then, which is where the rally car's supposed to be, but we're going to try and keep it on the road if we can. We're going to tune it up quickly. Let's bring it up to 589. There we go. Right, okay guys. I don't know how this is going to go, but let's have a go. It's already maxed out. Actually, I haven't got much top speed, so let's see if I can do something about the top speed tyres. I actually got the wrong tyres. They're super hard. Should go super hard. Sports. Soft. Sports hard. Sports hard, there we go. Speed. Okay, that should be good. So top speed is 183 now. So this should be good. Because we got better tyres on this time. Jesus Christ, man. Why is it? It's on drift mode. It looks like it's on drift mode. No, it's on race mode. What is going on? You can't control it. Yeah, look, oh shit. It's drifting around the corner. Wow, look like I'm gonna have to kill with the drift around the corner. Ah, Jesus, handle the drift, George. There we go, tyre top speed now. Oh, what? It's still maxing out at like, oh, dude. Oh shit, no! It's okay, this is where the rally car's supposed to be, it's off-road. I don't know what it is, some rally cars handle perfect off-road. Oh, I know why. Isn't this a rallycross car? Oh, yeah, that's why it's a rallycross car. So, no flash guys, do not use a rallycross car. They look like a rally car. Oh, they look the same. I don't know why. Let's try this one then. Four laps. Maybe this one will handle better. The gearing is too low on these cars. And the gearing. Where's the gearing at? I'm not gearing. Okay. I'm sure I managed to get a rally car around already. Well, we've wasted enough time already, so let's just let's go around with this Volkswagen and 4 laps, and hard mode, and let's go. So yeah, guys, if you have any suggestions of what car I should drive, leave that in the comments below. I'll go back to old games like I'll go back to GT6 and GT5, and then you guys can decide which cars I need to buy. You know, which cars I need to buy or something. You know. I'll go back to those games and I'll buy the cars. Look at the steering wheel on the Volkswagen. Insane. Got a massive wing. It's a proper racing car because it's got like roll cage in the back. You know, guys, this is what I like to do in real life, but you need to have like money, and you need to have a full driving license, and you also need to have a race license. I think I got way more power in this car. Yeah, I think I remember putting like a lot of power in this car. That's okay, because we should be able to do it quite quick. I was gonna go right down the middle there, but that Mercedes was in the way. There's always two BMWs in the front. Whatever race car, I swear, whatever race car I choose, it always has to be BMWs in the front. Perhaps they thought all the BMWs would be a match for all of my racing cars. Actually quite a difficult bunch to catch. I've gone fastest. Jesus. Oh, damn it, guys. So guys weren't paying attention. Here we go, guys, last lap. Go straight down the middle, because I feel like it, and I want to. I got no time. Went straight down the middle there again. We finished the fastest lap, guys, of the race. Well, our fastest lap. We lead by 7 minutes 15 seconds. That's quite good. 21,000. So, guys, that's it for now. That was it. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, guys, put your suggestions down in the comments what I should rate that, and like, comment, subscribe, and bye guys, peace, bye, have a nice day.